Welcome to Voice of Libraries. Today, we're exploring the future of libraries. Libraries are no longer just about books. They've become powerful digital ecosystems. Let's dive into digital transformation and AI integration. AI is redefining library services with smart cataloging and personalized recommendations, helping you find what you need faster. Chatbots offer 24/7 assistance, and predictive systems suggest books, research, and even career paths based on your reading patterns. Next, we look at hybrid and virtual libraries. The hybrid model combines physical and digital experiences, giving you access to resources anytime, anywhere. Virtual libraries offer immersive reading through VR and AR, letting you explore archives and manuscripts in 3D from home. Libraries are also becoming inclusive community spaces. They host coding boot camps, digital literacy programs, and mental health sessions, welcoming everyone from students to seniors. The Library of 2025 is not just for reading, it's for growing, connecting, and creating. Discover how libraries are embracing sustainability and smart architecture. Libraries now use big data to understand user needs, tracking popular materials and services to enhance your experience. Librarians are evolving into data managers, tech educators, and digital innovators, bridging the gap between technology and information. In 2025, libraries are living, evolving ecosystems of knowledge, empowering minds for the future.